Eras Vital, heilende Kraft der Natur.
In this video, we will tell you how to make tea from chaga extract. You will need half a measuring spoon of chaga extract, 250 ml of water, a glass, a teaspoon, a kettle. We can stir the extract of chaga in cold and warm water, in any drinks and even food. But it is better and faster to steep in warm water. In this video, we will do exactly that. So let's start. Boil the water to 40 degrees, not more, so that when mixed all the active ingredients get into the water. Fill a glass with this boiled water, add the chaga extract and mix well. Remember, the warmer the water, the faster the chaga extract will dissolve. According to the properties of steeping, chaga extract is similar to instant coffee. You can steep such tea at work and enjoy the taste without infusing the drink. Many people ask, what is the difference between the powder and the extract? We have dedicated a separate video to this topic. You will find the link in the description. Read more information and learn recipes for cooking of chaga mushroom in our ebook. Link is below in the video description.